Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I crochet locks into my hair. All right, so my hair, I'm starting from, my hair is currently braided / twisted. So what I did is I started braiding from the roots and then I twisted for the rest of the way down the hair. So I twisted the rest of my hair, braided the roots and then twisted the rest of my hair. That was me just trying to fast track the whole process because braiding your hair takes a while. So before I braided it, my hair was washed. So I pre-pooed my hair and washed my hair. If you want to see the video of the pre-poo, the link is just going to pop up, so click on that. But yeah, so I pre-pooed my hair in preparation for the braids for installing the locks into my hair. So I did that, washed that, and then I did the single braid / twist all through my hair. Yeah, and the reason why it's important to braid the root is just to help the locks when you crochet it in to latch onto something, and especially since you're going to be probably styling it when you have your locks in, you're going to style it up or whatever it is. So you want to ensure that you have that hold at the root of your hair, and also be careful how you style your hair so you're not pulling too much at the root of the not pulling the root of your hair a lot. But yeah, so that's why most people braid the single braids that you're seeing when they install they crochet locks on their hair. All right, so that's that. Now I'm going to show you guys the locks I'm going to be using. So I got the locks from a Nigerian company. They ship worldwide. It's called a company called ZUTO hair. I will put a link down below so you guys can go to their website and see. I do love the collection of locks that they offer. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how it comes in the pack. So this is 14 inches and this one is called BOMA Goddess Locks. So this is what it looks like when it came in the pack. This is how it comes. And it's 24 strands in each pack, and this is how it looks outside the pack. I love it. And it's lightweight, so I love that. Yeah, so when I was braiding my hair, I had that in mind that each pack, 24 strands were in each pack, so I kind of strategically braided it that way to just ensure that I had enough. So I bought 6 from them. I probably will end up using 5, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to show you guys. So, well, before we go into the rest of the video, I'm going to be using, this is my crochet pick, well, pin, whichever you want to call it. So that's all I'm going to be using for this process. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how exactly how I braided / twisted my hair, just to give you guys an example. All right, guys, let's get into the video. All right, there you have it, guys. That's the final look. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like, please share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.